Yeah, people. So, yo, this is crazy news, yo. This not normal. Zin? I can't tell the people them a blame again, Zin? Because them a say news reports say over 50% of Jamaicans plan to leave the island within the next 3 years. Now, I don't know who conduct them review, yeah, but boy, may I tell you, social media find some things there. I want to know who is responsible for this post. And them a blame Kartel. I say Kartel go America and him get visa and him buy Rolls Royce one day, one a night and bag a house and I live the dream, big dream, from poverty to victory and all the dog them with we. You see me? Family them with we. Woohoo!
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
This is my page, and the first post here you seeing. Look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. Don't bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Give me the bird can't team some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, list PSPally, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In a every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clearing that them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, we mad dog. Addi left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad. Yeah, people. So, yo, this is crazy news, yo. This not normal, Zin? I can't tell the people them a blame again, Zin? Because them a say news reports say over 50% of Jamaicans plan to leave the island within the next 3 years. Now, I don't know who conduct them review, yeah, but boy, may I tell you, social media find some things there. I want to know who is responsible for this post. And them a blame Kartel. I say Kartel go America and him get visa and him buy Rolls Royce one day, one a night and bag a house and I live the dream, big dream, from poverty to victory and all the dog them with we. You see me? Family them with we. Woohoo! You see it? So him them a say I influence the youth them cause everything them say Kartel do. If him not them can't. Them style way make them one. Him a the dancehall Pele, the Jordan. You get what I say? So right now, enough people want to leave Jamaica. We are going to get into this, See, now we have a couple slide pan this for slide through show you, and we have a part few where we are gonna attach to this, you see me? Like a double compact disc. Now watch this. The post here is from the tropics. You get what I say? See if we can get this up. Zine. Alright, so the post from the tropics reads, or read, I should say. A new report backed by the United Nations Development Program, which is also known as the UNDP, see it, is sparking major conversation across Jamaica after revealing that more than half of Jamaicans surveyed say they are planning to migrate within the next 3 years. I feel a country them go do them review here, you know. Cause me not see nobody at town in a half a tree or nowhere ask and I do not serve. And I do not survey. You get what I say? Or Miss V. Yeah. Now, according to the findings, right, many respondents pointed to rising living costs, which is true. But not telling a lie, no. All of this is true because we want to run away. Zin? But I decide for stand up and fight because everybody can think the same, everybody can pray for do the same thing. I never want to on the side where the majority do. You know what I mean? I always want to on the side of the minority. So that is me. So right now, I rather stay in the dump like Riverton and try to become a man. You see me? Yeah. And lift up black the nation. You see me? Help to lift up back the nation, lift up black. Yeah, blackness. You see me? So now, according to the findings, many respondents pointing to the rising in living costs, right? So for survive, the cost of living is very high and it rises as you quint your eye and open it again. You see me? I say the crime again, the people them admit. Memorize it up for because I don't want to think of me and make up these things or I set up these things. So them say according to the findings, I put my picture down here so. Alright, so it's according to the findings, many respondents pointed to the rising living costs, right? That are the cost of living, which is high. I just told them type it and write it. Now, the next thing them blame it on is the crime, which is true. Crime, we rank number one to rated as little as Talawas would be. We are going with the most atrocities compared to anywhere else per kilometers, per square or whatever perspective you're based in it off of. Okay. All right. Limited economic opportunities that are true. You get me? I say you like for get a work and business and for have a basic earning we can keep you stabilized until you get pay again. You know what I mean? We shouldn't have to so. It's like the pay can't meet the next one. You know what I mean? We're starving, it's a starvation upon the land. You see it? And because of the government and them dirty corruption and plan and them nasty intention. You see it? So, wages, right? Wages are the next thing. Small earning, as I say. Right? And concern about long-term stability as keys reasoning. Those are the key reasons as why people are considering to leave the island in 3 years. You get me? I say countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom continue to rank among the top destinations Jamaicans hope to move to. Exactly. And not Trinidad and Tobago and Cayman Island and them places. So I'm not see why Cayman Island have put restriction on Kartel and then the promoter Trinidad go try style Kartel. See? I'm glad to the people them silent because them there shout about Kartel for give back money. And you see what up, you see what go. Everybody silent. That's how the Gaza just beat them and just, you see me, continue on, you know. Boy, I tell you, so what you know. Yeah, so I'm concerned about long-term stability as key reason. Yeah, so United States, you know why I laugh? I go show you something. Because United States, United States, you are going and say, oh. But make sure it's a message to the Jamaicans. So I show you the message that the United States send. Because them not playing up. See? Alright, so report has already triggered debate online with some people saying the numbers reflect the reality. Many Reality, many, I can't really to see this. Let me see if I can. My screen kind of dark up one part. You see it? No, I'm not gonna see it. So, all right. So, let me see if I can figure out some of the words. Cause my screen dark up. All right. So over there. So reports has already triggered debates online, with some people saying the numbers reflect the reality many of the Jamaicans are facing daily, while many struggles, I guess, what Jamaicans are facing daily, while others argue that the migration has always been part of Jamaican culture of survival. The findings also raise question about brain drain, future workforce, and what Jamaica may needs to convince more young people to stay and build future locally. Do you think Jamaica is becoming too hard for people to survive in? Of course, it is already. Or do you believe opportunity exists for those willing to work for it? Yo, this is not about work. This is more like slavery. You see me? This is slavery. This is not work. If it was work, it would have bothered us about it. But this is slavery. You can't get for save a penny. You get what I say? Yeah, because everything high costing. You want a little bigger soda we used to cheap. This now at $2.50 in the streets. You get what I say? Not DNG, $300. You want juice made from foreign, the American brand we popularized on cable television? This 500. You want ginger beer for bus gas? Eh? Ginger beer for bus gas? This have a different price by itself. That may I tell you, because a gastroenteritis that them give this medicinal price, like ganja have medicinal purposes. This is how Jamaicans take ginger beer and sell it. It have its own price differently. It's ranked different from the others. Now let's get back into the slides, okay? So beating Jamaicans, I said them a think for runway. To run away to space, through them in a ass, yo. I feel burn them cause we have to see the best. The best. All on my face, that day will come when I just stand and see all those wicked men in the fire getting burned. That day will come when Emperor Selassie shall be nowhere to run. That day will come when I just set the lens on the gun, bands and bullets and guns. That day will come when Emperor Selassie shall rise the world to get to youths them out of the slum, yeah. Yeah, they say them sorry, I know the whole of the ghetto youths them from out of the slum, cause some of them like Foota, them nah go see Jaffias, Sealer. Yeah, them a bun me like a Christ, me see. Watch ya. See it, huh? So now reports are in. So them say, I could rise this. So them said the new UNDP-backed report said more than half of Jamaicans surveyed are considering migrating within the next 3 years, with many pointing to crime, economic pressure, better job opportunities overseas, and concern about quality of life as major reasons behind the growing interest in leaving the island. Okay, so the plane there. I'm like a bird, I like to fly away. I don't know where my home is. I don't know where my soul is. I'm like a bird, I love to fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. Hey, not nice. Tell me if me house in America, or tell me a house in Canada, or which part me house they over Africa. I'm house in the motherland capture. So build something for me, the rapture. How come Jah ask the people in capture? So that chat tell picture me now snap. Hey, listen. Alright, so watch you know. We're gonna show you what the American them say, because news are in that once the US immigration officers and authorities heard of this news that Jamaicans, you get me, I say more than half of we are planned for going because of Andrew. You see, the people them first start the truth and say Andrew, but them talk about pressure and better job opportunities. Andrew is the answer why everybody want to run with, but them are shy away from the truth and a pretty it up me youth. You see me? So I show you what the US embassy put out reports. I want Jamaicans say, oh, we know one depend. Look here. This is what the US embassy say. Watch you now. See the people me fit right in the blur not circle. I didn't even have to move my photo. Because everything connected. I didn't even have to move my photo. Watch you now. The US Embassy. Jamaica warns The US Embassy of Jamaica warns Jamaicans against overstaying in America. Do not or don't run off. That's what them say. Zin? Now we're going to read what them say because there's more to it. Now look here. Hey. So the US Embassy in Jamaica has warning to Jamaican traveling to the US, the United States of America, urging us not to overstay or violate our visa. You get what I say? The privilege we get. Whether if you get 2 weeks, a month, 3 months, 6 months, you do not go past the limit. Don't even use up the limits one time. So they continue to say in the post, in a post shared on its official social media website, the US Embassy stated, don't run off. You will be what? You will not be able to return ever. You will not be able to return ever. And would you hear that already? Them they put out that one in there already, you see me? Would you get that one in there already? I could check out the next slide. See that? The US Embassy of Jamaica. USE Embassy JA on X.com, that a Twitter. News from the tropics. Big up the tropics, see? And the US Embassy of Jamaica posted hashtag travel responsible, right? Don't run off. You will be deported from the United States. You will not be able to return. Not even on a banana boat. Not even on a banana plane. Not even on a banana ship. Not even on a banana chips. Not even on a banana leaf. Not even on a banana stem. Not even on a plant shoot already. Yo. So it said, don't run off. You will be deported from the United States. You will not be able to return. Travel responsibly, like drink responsibly, right? So at that, the US Embassy, this is from Donald Trump office, he's aware of this, all of his administrators or whatever you call them, his councilmen, you know what I'm saying? Since you agree with me, no need to debate. We're kind of like the government, so just respect my conglomerate. Just respect my conglomerate. Just respect my conglomerate. Just respect my... Since we are the best, you agree with me. No need to debate. We're kind of like the government. So just respect my conglomerate. Just respect my conglomerate. Just respect my conglomerates. Just respect my... Since we are the best, you agree with me, right? No need to debate. We're kind of like the government. So just respect my conglomerate. Just respect my conglomerates. Respect my conglomerates. Respect me and I respect ya. And if you set me, then I'm gonna get ya. And if you check me, I'm gonna check ya. I'm chess speed, this ain't no checkers. Checking out my B in the dress and I'm in the vest and all the clothes in the dresser. Strip her naked, she stripped me confessing that I am her man and she is my best friend and my bester forever. The leather, the Louis V we walk on down the aisle when I'm just crazy.